Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all students. Today we will discuss long question 6 of exercise, and which is given as the first heading, and which is called there are three headings in this paragraph. In first paragraph, first heading is short period, and first two element hydrogen and helium is consist of first period, and it is called short period because it consists of only two elements. And second heading is normal periods. Second and third periods are called normal periods. Each of them has 8 elements in it, and its heading is called, second heading is normal periods, and third heading is long periods. And number of elements in the second periods are 8, which consist of lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and ends at neon, a noble gas. And third heading is long periods, which is starting from here. Fourth and fifth period are called long periods. Each of them consists of 18 elements. And next heading is very long period, which is for the second paragraph. Whereas the 6 and 7 periods are called very long periods. In these periods, after atomic number 57 and 89, two series of 14 elements each were accommodated. Because of space problem, these two series were placed separately below the normal periodic table to keep it in a manageable and presentable form. Since the two series after the lanthanum and actinium Z89, so these two series of elements are named as lanthanides and actinides. Actually, lanthanum and actinium belongs to 6th and 7th period, and because 6 and 7 period consists of 32 elements, but if we arrange the periodic table in 6 and 7 elements, 32 elements in the periodic table, then the length will be too much for 6th period and 7th period in the periodic table, and its beauty can be vanished. That's why scientists arrange the elements from the 6th after lanthanum, 6th period after lanthanum, which have the atomic number 57, and after actinium, which belongs to group 7. You can see here in the periodic table. This is the 6 and 7 period, which is the 6th period starting from cesium. Next element is barium, and third element is the lanthanum. And after it, in 7th period, which is starting. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Listen, girls. You can see here that after cesium and barium in 6th period, third element is lanthanum, which placed the scientists separately at the bottom of the periodic table. And 7th period, first element is francium, second is radium, and after radium the third element is actinium, which is also placed separately at the bottom of the periodic table. The reason is that if we these two series of elements, lanthanides, which is starting from lanthanum, and actinium, which is starting from actinides, which is starting from actinium, placed separately at the bottom of the periodic table, because if we place them in these two rays, these elements, and they can be very long, and the beauty of the periodic table can be vanished. So to keep the periodic table in manageable and presentable form, the scientists arrange these two rows at the bottom of the periodic table. And you can see lanthanum have 57 atomic number, after the barium, which has 56 atomic number, and after that this series will continue from the lanthanum 57 to lutetium 71, after that 72, and after that the element having 72 atomic number, hafnium, which will be again continue the 6th period, is placed in the 6th period and continue and complete the 6th period till radon, which is the noble gas. Similarly with actinium have 89 atomic number after radium in 7th period, and after actinium it will from 89 This series will end at Lawrencium 103, or after 1 it will be start from the 7th period, RF 104 atomic number element. Next, you can see here, because of the space problem, these two series were placed separately below the normal periodic table to keep it in manageable and presentable form. Since the two series start from lanthanum Z57 and actinium Z89, so these two series of elements are named as lanthanide and actinides from the name of the elements. So next, last heading is number of elements in period. All the periods except the first period start with an alkali metal and end at a noble gas. It is to be observed that number of elements in a period is fixed because of the maximum number of elements which can be accommodated in the particular valence shell. So listen girls, you can see that in the periodic table all the hydrogen atom except first all the alkali metals after except the first, because hydrogen doesn't belong to the alkali metal, because it show dual behavior, it act both metals and non-metals. So except first row, second row start second, third, fourth, fifth and seventh are horizontal periods start from alkali metals and end at noble gas. So because they are fixed, number of elements in a periods are fixed, and the number of electrons which are placed in the outer shell are also fixed according to their group and according to their period number. Next, we will discuss about test your cells 10 3.1 in our class. So Allah Hafiz.